In this video, I'll show you how to create a calculated field in Google Looker Studio so you can build custom metrics and dimensions directly inside your report. Calculated fields allow you to perform formulas like profit, conversion rate, or other custom calculations without editing your original data source. To begin, open your report and look at the data panel on the right side. Find and expand the data source you want to use, since calculated fields are created within a specific source. Next, click Add a Field and choose Add Calculated Field to open the editor. Give your field a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, then enter your formula using available fields and functions. For example, you can subtract cost from revenue or divide conversions by clicks to create a ratio. As you type, check for validation errors to ensure your formula is correct. Once everything looks good, click Save, and your new field will appear in the data source. You can now use it in charts, tables, and filters like any other field. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.